Cellphone nga naman.
Gusto ng badminton katulad ng salo.
Paano ko kaya mahihikayat ang anak ko sa badminton?
Hoy! Tara, Tay, ang ganda ng weather sa labas. Mag-badminton tayo. Ayoko, Tay. Dali na, Tay, para magpawisan ka naman. Mamaya na, Tay. Ayoko. Tara na! Ayoko nga, Tay. Sige na! Tara na, Tay. Tara na! Baka ulit ka.
Uy, si ano to ah? Coach Shara, long time no see ah.
Uy, Bamboo.
Bala ko sana sa'yo paturuan yung anak ko eh.
Ah, sige. Meron akong kasamang trainer. Coach Lea, halika. Coach Sharon. May papaturuan pala sa atin si yung anak daw niya. Sige. Tayong dalawa na. Sige, okay lang. O, tara.
Nak, magpapaklala ako sa'yo. Sila pala yung mga kasabayan natin maglaro. Ngayon mga coach na sila. Ito nga pala si Coach Sarah and Coach Thea.
Hello po. Hi. Hello.
Stance refers to the position and posture of a player's body while on the court. It includes how the feet are positioned, the balance of the body, and the readiness to move and react to the shuttlecock. In badminton, the serve is the initial shot that starts a rally. It involves hitting the shuttlecock over the net to the opponent's side of the court to begin the point.
Next naman is footwork.
Footwork in badminton refers to how a player moves around the court efficiently to reach the shuttlecock and position themselves for optimal shot execution. The grip refers to how a player holds the racket during gameplay. A good grip is essential for proper control, power, and accuracy when hitting shots. Here are the 4 basic grip.
Ayun po pala yung mga basic skills ng badminton. Oh, ready ka na ba maglaro? Ready na po. Tara!